Welcome to Orphan Farms. We have got, I think, at least 7 of us that's gonna go bar hopping today. Stopped by Andy's farm, he invited us over for lunch, and man, we are gonna have one heck of a day. So when's the last time that you can say you went out and truly made adventure happen? And I'm not talking about spring break in Panama City. On this adventure, we met up at Andy's house. He served us a delicious lunch and dessert.
We're just thankful for just meeting new friends, and Lord, just ask you to bless our day and ask you to bless us, bless the nurse of our body, the body of your servants in Christ's name.
We had planes coming in and out from every direction. Andy had put out the all call for pilots to come and enjoy a fresh meal at his house, and then we were going to set out and go play on the sandbars. And wouldn't you know it, a nice meal attracted plenty of pilots, and we set out to land 7 airplanes on a sandbar, and I feel confident that's a state record in Georgia.
Man, this is awesome. We are 7 airplanes deep right now, actually 8 with the pits behind us. But we're 7 deep headed to the sandbar. Big shout out to Andy and his family for hosting us back at the farm. This is the aviation community, specifically this backcountry community, is just incredible. We briefed everybody as a plan for a holding pattern, and when it's your turn to land, how you break off. Really slick, very safe, situational awareness.
I'm on the left side of that tower, just past it.
Oh, I got you down there.
Got a huge 1,200 foot tower that we'll make sure we stay clear of. That is humongous for this area.
Yes, sir, I got all y'all in sight.
All right, well, I'm fixing to start turning, going right back direction we just came. Run down there and try and find you and turn in behind you.
You're about my 2 o'clock right now, turning.
All right, I got one plane over there. That may be you. Yeah, I believe I got you, Brian. All right, I'm going to turn that way a little bit. I got eyes on you. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to extend our right downwind for that bar, give Brian a chance to get down and get on it, and then I'll turn a right base, and then a long, long final for that bar, everybody.
This is awesome. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 planes on the sandbar here on the Altamaha River in Georgia. Most airplanes I have been on a sandbar with for sure. Now the wind's blowing like crazy, so that's adding an element of fun to it, but I think we're gonna hit a couple bars. We're actually gonna stop by and see the Pittmans at their farm again. Andy fed us so good, I don't know if I can stomach ice cream, but this is gonna be awesome.
Here we go.
I'm off your right.
Gotcha.
All right, this is Kenneth coming in here. Still stay on the green. All right, drop your power right there, big guy. There you go. All right, don't float it now. There you go. Awesome, awesome, dude. All right, here comes Derek in old big bad Stinson. Chris.
I'm not sure which way they landed.
I see everybody. Yeah, are they gonna stay and chat a little while, or are they gonna take back off? If they're about to turn right back around and take off, I may just roll the wheels and keep going.
Oh, we're leaving. We're leaving.
Yeah, that was what I was afraid of. I didn't want to get down and get through that soft dirt and then have to take right back off. Man, this is too much fun. But now I will tell you, it is a little stressful when you've got 7 planes flying in close quarters like this. You got to have your head on a swivel. You've got to have a plan like we do. You just got to be ready. Woo! Everybody's trying to talk. You're behind me, Chris.
Just crossed over the power line.
Okay, I'm gonna drop down and land the island.
Pull on that one, Tom.
Ooh, the radio is busy.
The next up there, I see. I'm on your trail, Tony.
Alright, here we go. Hill up. Pops and flaps.
So this is the part of the story that gets real interesting. As you can hear, Tony is coaching us in to this bar that's kind of technical, plenty of length, but it's in between the trees.
Where'd y'all land, though? Did y'all land in between the trees?
Yeah, just come in and get that straight section in between the trees, and you'll see our track.
He was coaxing the pilot in, and I thought he was talking to me.
It's a good spot to get out of his way.
Well, you gonna park, you gonna power up and go around, because he's coming in right behind you.
Chris, I think at the time, thought he was talking to me. But about the time that my wheels were touching down on the sand, I realized he did not see me. He was talking to the plane behind me.
All right, just hug the left side of the river, Derek. There you go. Now get out your power right there.
And 2 and 2 put together, I realized he was coming into land right behind me. So I was worried that if he took a hop or come in a little hot, that he was going to run into the back of me. So the only thing I knew to do was give it some gas and taxi down to the very end of the sandbar and maybe brushed a willow tree on the way.
Oh yeah, look how easy that was.
Woo, woo. I wasn't sure if I thought y'all saying he was coming in behind me. I was trying to get some yonder.
You got another tree. Well, I wait for me and Brian stuck. This is gonna be fun.
That was a good one.
All right, those Stinson and Avid, let's go. All right, Brian, you good? Come on. Fly the fly. I mean, Kitfox.
Oh, come on.
There you go.
It's cool having a bunch of planes to fly with, but it gets hectic, don't it?
It's a lot to keep up with.
That's a lot to keep up with. That's why
I stayed up there,
Yep.
me and you.
I was with you. I was like, I'm just gonna stay up out of the way. Like a pro.
This is your stomping ground right here, ain't it, Derek?
Yeah, this is where we ski at.
All right. Get right there to where you see your straight set and then turn into it. But y'all did, listen, you're doing the right thing.
Hey, well, we appreciate you coming over to see us. We gotta go camping soon.
Oh yeah, let me know. I got all of January, February, March.
Derek said he wasn't coming with us, but
Take care. Glad you came down.
we are wrapping up a just extraordinary day in the backcountry. 7 planes on the Altamaha River, just ripping and roaring and having a good time. And I tell you, a lot to be thankful for. I think I'm getting low on fuel, and everybody else is going to have to start chasing the daylight. So you know the drill. What's next?